Hi guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates of new videos from Swati Life and Style.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about top nail polish removers, those are available in Indian market. I see many of us actually ignore this thing and use any remover without paying much attention to the fact that maximum nail paint removers contain acetone. Acetone remover is the most common and least expensive type of nail polish remover, but it's very harsh on the skin and nails. It strips off nails' natural oils and dries them out. With regular use, nails can become brittle and prone to peeling and splitting. But there's another aspect too. Removing glitter nail paint is much easier using acetone. So in that case, you may choose something that contains acetone, but make sure that it also has some other nourishing and hydrating formula with it. So without any further delay, let's see the top nail polish removers available in our market. So the first product is Colorbar nail polish remover. It's acetone free, toluene free, DBP free, and it contains protein and vitamin B5. It also claims to strengthen and condition the nails. It easily removes all types of nail paints in just one swipe and makes my nails shiny too. It's very affordable. We get 110 ml of product for just Rs 125. Only one thing that I don't like about this product is its smell. My second pick is from the brand called Faces. It is also an acetone-free nail polish remover. It contains vitamin E and claims that it doesn't dry out the nails, which is absolutely true. I love this remover. It removes nail paints without any hassle and hydrates them at the same time. My nails look healthy whenever I use this remover. It retails for Rs 99 for 30 ml of product. My third pick is Maybelline Color Show Nail Color Remover. It doesn't claim to be an acetone-free product, but it contains vitamin E, and it is the most effective remover among all these three products. So I think it may contain acetone, but to remove stubborn glitter nail polishes, we sometimes need to use acetone, although it doesn't dry out my nails like other acetone removers do. So I quite like this one. It easily removes all types of nail paints with base coat, top coat and glitters too. It retails for Rs 100 for 30 ml of product. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. Please like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye.